Hey friends, welcome back to Richword channel. Are you using the right bobbin for your embroidery machine? Today we are breaking down how to choose the perfect bobbin the simple way. Step 1. Know your machine. If you are rocking a home single needle embroidery or sewing machine like Brother, Singer, Janami or Pulling, then you are gonna need an 8-tab bobbin for sure. But if you are rolling with a multi-needle embroidery machine like Tajima, Bai or Brother multi-needle, the L-type bobbins are your jam. The 8-tab, also called class 15, is slightly taller than the L-type and ideal for home machines. With the Richword 8-tab bobbin, you skip winding, just install and start stitching. Pre-wound at the factory for smooth thread fit and consistent knit stitches. Plus, with high-quality plastic edges, this bobbin won't glide nicely inside the case, and you can easily see how much thread you've got left. Perfect for newbies, embroidery lovers, and small home business hustlers. Oh, and if you want your front and back stitches looking equally sleek, check out our 8-tab colorful bobbins. 25 colors covering all the basics so you can get creative. Step 2. Pick your material for L-type bobbins. L-types are smaller, flatter, and go to standard for multi-needle machine, and the cool part, you've got option to fit your vibe. No side bobbins, 6-pack, more thread in the same size, awesome for long runs and less downtime switching bobbins. Just pop the case off to check thread left. Great for big, detailed designs with lots of stitches. Paper-side bobbins, light as a feather and super smooth with low fracture and gentle tension, perfect for everyday embroidery and long continued runs. When you are done, toss them easy and eco-friendly. Plastic side L-type bobbins, tough, clean with hard plastic edges on both sides. These are built to last, resist oil and moisture, and shine with dense, fast embroidery. The tension stays steady and you can rewind and reuse them after they are empty. Max snap bobbins, these keep tension super consistent and help cut down stitches issues. Ideal if you are all about those flawless finishing touches. So multi-needle users pick based on your needs. No side for max capacity, paper side for smooth spanners, plastic side for durability, and max snap for precise tension. Both A and L type come mainly in two specs, 75 Daniel/2 and 17 Daniel/2, both high-quality polyester. 75 Daniel/2 is thicker and stronger, great for dense design or heavy fabrics. 17 Daniel/2 is finer and smoother, ideal for light fabric and detailed work. Most machine works with either. When in doubt, go with 75 Daniel/2. Alright, quick recap. If you are on a home single needle or sewing machine, grab 8-tab with plastic edges, tough and steady tension. For multi-needle machine, pick L-type and then pick your side. No side for max capacity and less swapping. Paper side for light, smooth, eco-friendly runs. Plastic side for durability and fast dense stitching. Or max snap for perfect tension control. Still unsure? Follow the flow. Long runs for no sides, dense or fast for plastic side, easy and green for paper side, tension perfection for max snap. Using the right bobbin is the secret to perfect embroidery every time. So now that you know which bobbin fits your machine, drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!